Now paper number 91, question number 66 onwards. Now in this 66, it is based on sequence. How many questions are there based on this sequence? Only 2 questions were given. Now coming to question number 66, how many numbers are there? The question is about a number in the above arrangement between 8th element from the left. What is 8th element from the left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8th element from the left is P. And 14th from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now between these two, tell me how many numbers are there. Now between P and beta, there is only one number, that is 8. Hence what is your answer? Choice 1, question number 66. Then 67, 4 out of the following means odd one out. E star and V. E and star, E2 star, it is plus 1. And star and V, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 4. Plus 1, minus 4. And C and dollar. Now between C and dollar, C2 dollar, it is plus 1. Dollar and 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 4. And 2 copyright. 2 and copyright plus 1. And copyright and C 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 4, plus 1, minus 4. And here 5 at the rate of, 5 at the rate of plus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 4. Here again the difference between the elements is 1 and 4. And coming to fifth one, B and hash. Now B and hash, what is the difference here? B to hash, it is plus 2. Hence except choice 5. And in the remaining terms, the difference between the elements is common. That is 1 and 4, choice 5 is the odd one, 67. Then 68 onwards. Now in this one, a certain number of boxes are arranged one above the other in a stack. And information about some of the boxes were there. Then how many boxes are there in the above arrangement? Now here 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, almost in and around 20. 20 ఉంది కాబట్టి ఏం చేయాలి? పెద్ద నెంబర్ వచ్చే టైం ఉంది, అవునా కదా? చాయిసెస్ అన్నీ పెద్దవి ఉన్నాయి. పెద్ద ఉన్నాయంటే మనకి అరేంజ్మెంట్ కూడా పెద్దది అవుతుంది కనుక టైం టేకింగ్, కనుక దీన్ని సెకండ్ ప్రయారిటీలో పెట్టుకోండి. ఇన్ జనరల్ బాక్సెస్ అండ్ అన్సర్టైన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పర్సన్స్ ఇన్ ఏ రో, అది కూడా మనం ఏం చేస్తాం చెప్పండి, సెకండ్ ప్రయారిటీ. ఇన్ కేస్ మనకి చాయిసెస్ 11, 10, 9, 8 ఆర్ 13 దగ్గరలో ఉన్నాయి, 10కి దగ్గరలో ఉంటే అప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీలో చేసుకోవచ్చు. కానీ ఇక్కడ అన్ని 20కి దగ్గరలో ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి ఇట్ మస్ట్ బి అండర్ ద సెకండ్ ప్రయారిటీ. దెన్ information about some of the boxes was given. D is placed 4th from the bottom అన్నారు. 4th from the bottom. Now 4, 3, 2 and 1. And 4th from the bottom, what is that one? D. D is placed 4th from the bottom. And next one, D which is 3 places above R. D is 3 places above R means R must be at the first position. And only one box between C and X. C and X. C is placed immediately above D. Now where is this C? C is placed immediately above this D. And D which is placed, and D is placed at the 4th, C is placed immediately above D. D which is 3 places above R. Only one box between C and X. Between C and X, tell me how many boxes? There is exactly one box. Hence X can be at the 3rd place or X can be at the 7th place. Hence how many possibilities? 2 possibilities. Now in the second possibility, R is here and D is here, C is here, X is here. Hence we have 2 possibilities. Then coming back to this, and 4 boxes between X and W. 4 in between X and W, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now W must be here. And there 4 in between X and W. And W is immediately below Z. Now Z must be at the 9th place. And 4 boxes between X and W. X ki W ki majhlo 1, 2, 3, 4. W is here. And there, if W is here, Z can be here. This is one possibility. Then next one, we have one more information here. And 4 boxes, S is in between X and W. S is nearer to W compared with X. And next one, A is placed 3 places above Z and only 3 are placed above Z. Then Z and W. Now if you take Z and W at this place, 4 boxes between X and W, and W is immediately below Z. And next one, S is in between X and W. S is in between X and W. S can be here or S can be here. And but not immediate. But not immediate. Hence S must be at this place. S is in between X and W. hence S is here, but not immediate, hence it is not possible in the second case. Hence Z and W cannot be at the second and the third places. Then where should this Z and W? Now between X and W, how many boxes? 4. 10, 11 and 12. Now this W must be at this place. The X and W. Now W is here. Then whatever this Z, Z must be at the 13th place. Z and W. Now S is in place in between X and W, but not immediate. Hence S can be here or here. There are two possibilities. And out of which S is nearer to W when compared with Z. S is nearer to Z when compared to Z. S must be at this place. Then S is nearer to whom? Nearer to W when compared with X. And S is nearer to W when compared with X. And A is placed 3 places above Z. Above Z, A is here 14, 15, 16. 3 places, A is at this place, 16th place. A is 3 places above Z. 3 places 1, 2, 3 at the 12th place. Above Z. And only 3 are placed above A. Only above A there are only 3, hence 17, 18, 19 in the first case. Above A there are only 3. Now here above A there are only 3, 1, 2, 3, hence it must be stopped at 15 itself, above A. And as many below R as 1 above Q. As many below R. Below R there is 0, above Q there must be 0, and so Q must be on the 18th place. As many below R above Q, and so Q must be at the 14th place. And more than 2 boxes between R and X. Now here between R and X there is exactly 1 box, and this case is completely ruled out. Hence we are left with the first case. Now in this one, how many boxes are there here? There are 19 boxes, that is choice 3, 68. 69, how many are in between W and R? In between W and R, tell me how many boxes? 12 and 1. 12 minus 1, 11 minus 1, that is 10. And 10 boxes, choice 1, question number 69. 70, how many box information not given in the above arrangement? Out of these 19, information about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 were given. And regarding the remaining 10, information is not given. Total boxes any chapter 19. Under information any letters unnai 10 9 unnai. Leni when unnai 10 and 71. If 3 boxes are above to Q, now Q is at the 18th place, 19, 20, 21. Then what is the position of A from the top? A from the top, what is the position of A from the top then? Top nunchi A position undali. And 6th position. As of now, A is 1, 2, 3, 4th position. Ante kada? And 3 boxes are above this Q. That means 2 more boxes. And its position is 6th from the top. Then 72. Now in this 72 to 76, there are 12 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here again there are 12 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And row 1 U, V, W, X, Y, and Z, and all of them are facing south. Now U, V, W, X, Y, Z, they are facing south. Now here F, G, H, I, J, K, they are facing towards north. Then now W sits at one of the extreme ends of the row. As W is at one of the extreme ends of the row, W can be at the left extreme, or what is the next possibility we have? W can be at the right extreme. The first priority was the second priority. It must be under first priority only because no parameter is added. And only 2 people between W and U. W ki U ki majra 2 people. Here again between W and U there must be exactly 2. And U faces an immediate neighbor of G. G can be here, G can be here. U faces an immediate neighbor of G. And J sits out to the right of G. J is here. J sits out to the right of G is not possible. G at this place, 1, 2, 3, J is here. Now G is here, not possible. G is at this place, 1, 2, 3, J is here. J sits out to the right of G, and only 3 people between J and I. In between J and I, there must be exactly 3. Here again, between J and I, there must be exactly 3. And I faces an immediate neighbor of Z. I is facing an immediate neighbor of Z. I is facing an immediate neighbor of Z. X is an immediate neighbor of Z. X is here. X is at this place. and as many people to the left of x and to the right of y, y must be here. Now x is here, w and y must be in the same place, not possible. Then, and k sits to the immediate left of f, k is here and f is here. Then tell me who is the person left over v, and in this case h is the person left over. Then 72, 4 out of the following: I, j, x, y and f. Now except j, the remaining persons are at the centers of these lines and j is at the corner. Choice to 72. Then 73, who among us the following faces h? And h is facing w, that is choice 3, 73. How many people sit between v and y? Between v and y as per the given arrangement. Between v and y there is no one. None, that is choice 1, 74. Then 75, which of the following is not true? The one who faces y is an immediate neighbor of y, false. Z is an immediate neighbor of u, definitely true, choice 3, question number 75. Then the one who faces y is an immediate neighbor of I, which is not true. Not true, and the one who faces y is an immediate neighbor of I is definitely false. Choice 2 is the answer, 75. Then who among the following sits second to the left of j? K, that is choice 5, question number 76. Then 77 onwards, syllogisms logically follows, that is the first model. All ice are peak. Now this entire ice is a part of this peak. And no peak is a mountain, no intersection between peak and a mountain. And all these mountains are what? All mountains are trees. All trees can never be peak. All trees can never be peak means this entire tree cannot be a part of peak and peak royal. Now peak has a chance. If you write peak like this, no mountain is a peak will become false. Hence, it is not possible. Here also is claiming that it is not possible. Or kuda emantunnaru cheppandi, possible kaadu antunnaru. Manam try chesina trees anni manaki peak avvatledu. Hence, that is true. And no ice is mountain is also true. Idi false avvalante em cheyali cheppandi? Then some ice are mountain ante ice ikkadiki raavali. Uche chance unda? No. Hence, what is your answer? Both 1 and 2, choice 1, 77. Then 78, only K's or P's means this entire piece belongs to only for K. And they get P's and K ki maatrame jendali. And only a few Q's or K's. Konni Q'lu maatrame K lo avutunnayi, anni kaadu ani antunnaru. And all these T's are Q's. This entire T is a part of this Q. T is here. Some T's or K's is a possibility. Possibility means T and K like intersection raskochu kada? Yes. And some Q's are P. Now P is here, Q is here, no intersection. Only one, that is choice 1, 78. 79, each orange is kiwi. Now this is orange which is kiwi. Every orange is a kiwi. And some of the kiwis are papayas. And only a few mangoes are papayas. Only some of the mangoes are papayas, but not all. Some papayas are orange, that is false. No orange is a papaya, definitely true. No orange is a papaya, true, and yet false and angel. Some oranges are papayas. Orange and papaya. Raja hence, Raja's alternate diagram true, previous conclusion false. Intakamundu false and first conclusion. Some papayas are oranges. Now it has become true. Hence, what is your answer? Either 1 or 2. Either 1 or 2, choice 5, question number 79. Then coming to this 80, only these letters are words. All these words are a part of this letter. That means this entire words belongs to only for letters. A few letters are books. Some of the letters are books, letter and a book. And all these books are what? This entire book is a part of this guide. Some guides are books, definitely true. Some letters are guides, is also true. Hence both 1 and 2, choice 3, question number 80. Then 81, W is the sister of Q. Now this W is the sister of Q and Q is the father of F and F is the grandson of G. Whether G is the parent of this Q or G is the parent of Q's spouse. అంతే కదా, Qకి ఎవరైతే వైఫ్ ఉన్నారో వైఫ్కి పేరెంట్ అయినా G అవ్వచ్చు. There are two possibilities. N is the wife of G and F is the grandson కాబట్టి F is a male. And next one, F is the grandson of G. P is the only child of N and N is the wife of G. P is the only child of N. K is the father-in-law of P అన్నాడు. K is the father-in-law of P. W is the sister of Q. Q is the father. F is the grandson of G. Then if you take G at this place, P is the only child, N is the wife of G. N ఇక్కడ రాసుకుందాం, one possibility. N is the wife of G. Then if N is here, P is the only child of N. Is it true? P is having two children, W and Q, which implies that G cannot be at this place. Now follow here. G cannot be here. G is not the parent of Q. Then G is the parent of whom? G is the parent of Q's wife. N is the wife of G. N is the wife of G. N female, G a male. P is the only child of N. P is here. And K is the father-in-law of P. Father-in-law of P means K is the father of these two persons, W and Q. Then if Q is the son of A, who is this Q? Son of A. A ki son అన్నాడు. A ki son అంటే Q and K must be married to each other. Then how is A related to K? How is this A related to K here? Now Q is the son of A, that means A is here. How is A related to K? Wife. Wife, choice 2, question number 81. Then 82, how is K related to F? F's father's father, grandfather. Grandfather, choice 2, 82. How is P related to W? Now W's brother's wife. Brother's wife is sister-in-law. That is choice 1, question number 83. Then 84, the relation between A and E. Now here A greater than E means E lesser than A. X and J, two opposite symbols, not related. And so only one follows, choice 1, 84. 85, L and V. V, between V and L, two opposite symbols, no relation. F and O, two opposite symbols, no relation. Neither one, not two, choice 1, 85. M and B. B greater than or equals to M, M lesser than or equals to B. Q and G. G lesser than Q, Q greater than G. Hence both 1 and 2, choice 4, question number 86. Then 87 onwards, there are some 7 boxes that are kept one above the other in a stack. Only one box is between G and A. Ma G ki A ki madhya rendu unnai cheppandi. If G is here, A is here, that is one possibility. Or G is here, A is here, A and G. There is exactly one box between G and A, 3 boxes between A and E. And E is kept at one of the boxes above G అన్నాడు. And 3 in between A and E must be at this place. మరి సరిపోయిందా? ఏకి ఈకి మధ్య ఎన్ని బాక్సెస్ ఉండాలి? 3 boxes. And E is kept at one of the boxes above G. And 3 boxes between A and E, 1, 2, 3, E is at this place. Now in the second case, 7 boxes were filled. And in the first case, only 5 were there. And B is kept immediately above C. B is immediately above C. Only one box between C and F. Hence, one box between C and F can be here or F can be after this C. And F is kept at one of the positions below D. F is kept at one of the positions below D. Hence, F must be here. Now this is C. Now this is B. Isn't it? Hence, D must be here. Saripenda? Hence, what is the final order? ED, BC, AFG is the final order. Then, ఇక్కడ మనకి ఎలా ఉండాలి చెప్పండి? BC ఎలా ఉంటాయి? And B and C must be at the 2 places. అప్పుడు F రావాలి. Then D will be here. And the condition F is kept at one of the positions below D is false. Hence, how many boxes are kept above A? Above A there are only 4, choice 4, 87. How many boxes are in between D and A? In between D and A there are only 2 boxes, choice 1, 88. As per the given arrangement, F is related to. F is related to A. F is immediately below A. And B is immediately below D. And G is immediately below F. G is immediately below F. That is choice 1, question number 89. And 90th, if all the boxes are kept in alphabetical order from top to bottom, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And so many boxes will remain in their places? 2. 2, that is given in choice 3, question number 90. 91, Federal, F-E-D-E-R-A-L. How many such pairs of letters are there in the word Federal? Starting with F, G-H-I-J-K-L, F and L. E-F-G-H-I-J, D and E, there is one more. D-E-F-G-H, E-F-G-H, that's it. Left to right there are only 2 pairs. And right to left, L-M-N-O-P-Q-R, A-B-C-D, A to D, and A to E, and D to E. Minimum how many were there? 5. More than 4, choice 4. 91. 92, 4 out of the following means odd one out. L-M-N-O-P, D-E-F-G-H, E-F-G-H-I, P-Q-R-S-T, R-S-T undali ikkada, U-V. Hence this is the odd one. R-V-T should be the correct term. R-S-T, U and V. Hence choice 3 is the odd one, question number 92. Then 93, how many people are there? There are some 6 people. And they are of different weight. W is heavier than V and Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this W is heavier than both these 2 persons V and Z. W is heavier than, but lighter than Y. W is lighter than Y. And, but lighter than Y. U is heavier than Y, but not the heaviest. Hence U is at this place, V is here, W is here, VRZ in any order. Then who is the person left over here? U, V, W, X, Y, X is here. And Z is not the second lightest. Z cannot be at the 5th place, Z is here, V is here. The heaviest person weighs how much? 103 kgs. And the 4th lightest person is 78 kgs. Then how many people are heavier than X? No one. None. Choice 2. 94. Who is the 3rd heaviest person? Y. Choice 1. And what is the possible weight of U? And in between 78 and 103. 78 and 103, 84, choice 5, 95. Then 96 to 100. Now in this, there are some 7 people on 7 different days of the same week, starting from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. And 7 people cleared an exam on 7 different days of the same week, starting on Monday and ending on Sunday. Then coming to condition number 1, we cleared an exam on Wednesday. And only one person between V and you can be before this V or after this V, either on Monday or on Friday. And Y cleared an exam immediately after you. Y is immediately after you. Here Y is immediately after you, that is on Saturday. W cleared an exam immediately before T. W is immediately before T. W and T were like this. W immediately before T. Only 2 people between W and Z. Now only 2 people between W and Z, Z is here. Z did not clear the exam on Sunday. Z did not clear the exam on Sunday. Hence here in this case, who is this person here? X must be here. Clear? మీకు వేరే పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా? Now W is immediately before T అంటే W and T ఇక్కడ రావాలి. Then in between, there are only 2 people between W and Z. Z is here, not possible. అవునా కదా? Hence ఇంకా next possibility W and T ఇలా రాసుకోవచ్చా? W and T. And W cleared an exam immediately before T. And 2 people between W and Z, not possible at all. కనుక W ఇక్కడ ఉన్నప్పుడు కూడా మనకి not possible. This case is completely ruled out. And which of the following days did T cleared an exam? T cleared the exam on Tuesday, choice 296. Who among us the following cleared an exam on Friday? On Friday, that is you, choice 1. And how many people cleared the exam after X? After X, there is no one, choice 5. 99. Which of the following statements is true as per the given examination arrangement? No one cleared the exam before you. False. And Y cleared an exam immediately before X. That is definitely true. Choice 3, 99. 100. 4 out of the following 5 are alike in a certain way and form a group. And T and Z. Now T and Z there is one person. U and X there is one person. W and V there is one person. Z and Y one person. X and W there are 5 persons. Hence choice 5 is the odd one. Question number 100. Done? Now this is about paper number 91. My next thing can doubts unnaya paper lo? 39. Now number series question number 39 onwards. Now finding the next number in the series 11, 13, 19 and 11, 13, 19 and 91 and 369. Then if you check out the choices, my choices student 1800, 1845, 1890, 1865 and so on are the choices we have. కనుక 11తో స్టార్ట్ అయ్యి 1800 వరకు పెరిగాయి. అంటే ఈ నెంబర్స్ అన్నీ ఏమవుతున్నాయి? ఇంక్రీజింగ్ అట్ ఎ వెరీ ఫాస్టర్ రేట్. హెన్స్ ఇట్ మస్ట్ బి అండర్ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆర్ కాంబినేషన్. 11 and 13 cannot be related in the product. Hence combination into 1 plus 2. Here 13 into 2 plus 3 into 3, 29 into 3, 29 into 3 plus 4, 87 plus 4. And next one, and now 9 into 4 plus 5. Saripindama into 4. And next one, and into 5 plus 6. 9 into 5, 45 plus 6, 51 down. Last digit must be 1. Among the choices, last digit 1 given in choice 4. 39 it is choice 4. Then 40. Now in this 40, 8 and 18, difference is how much? 10. 18 and 36 difference? 18. And 36 and 62 difference? 20, 26. 26 కదా. Then 10 plus 8, 18 plus 8, 26 plus 8, ఎంత రావాలి? 34. 34 plus 8, 42. 96 plus 42 and 138. Choice 3, question number 40. Differences of difference, 8 is constant. Then 41. Number starting with 28, 630. Now 210 and 630. అమ్మ చెప్పండి ఎలా రాద్దాం? Into, now 42 and 84, this is a crucial number, into 2. And 84 and 210. Now 210 into 3 into how much? Into 3 అయింది. Into 2 అయింది, into 3 అయింది. కనుక ఇక్కడ ఎంత రావాలి? Into 1 రావాలి. Into 1 that is 28. The remaining numbers ఎలా ఉండాలి? Into 1.5 and into 2.5. Into 1, into 1.5, into 2, into 2.5 and so on. 28, choice 5, question number 41. And 42. Numbers starting with 36 and ending with 6128. Numbers are increasing at a very faster rate. And again, it must be under product or combination. Product is not possible in between 36 and 20. Hence, combination. Combination you should always try out at the highest pair. 56 and 208. 56 into how much? 4. 56 into 4 and the Japan? And 24. 224 in a and minus how much? 24 and 8 means minus 16 into 4 minus 16 వచ్చింది ఇక్కడ. And next one 24 into 4 అయింది into 3 72 minus 16 56 సరిపోయిందా లేదా? Next one 20 into 2 40 and 40 minus 16 24. Now here into 1 minus 24. అందుకే మనం ఏం చెప్తాం చెప్పండి? కాంబినేషన్ ఎప్పుడు హైయెస్ట్ పేరు దగ్గర ట్రై చేయండి. మీరు ఇక్కడ నుంచి మొదలు పెట్టారంటే ఎలా చేస్తారు? ఇంటూ 0.5 ప్లస్ 2తో మొదలు పెడతారు. ఇది దీనికి దగ్గర ఉంది. లేదా నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇంటూ 1.5 అండ్ ప్లస్ 2 అండ్ సో ఆన్. ఇలా మనకి పాసిబిలిటీస్ చాలా పెరుగుతాయి. అండ్ కనుక పెద్ద నెంబర్లో చూసుకుంటే యూ విల్ హ్యావ్ ఓన్లీ 1 పాసిబిలిటీ. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇంటూ 5 minus 16, 208 into 5 and 1040 minus 16, 40 minus 16 that is 24, 1024 choice 1. The next one 43. Now numbers are increasing at a smaller rate, then this must be under difference. 47 plus 5 and 52 plus 7, 59 plus how much? 11. 3 plus 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 prime numbers. And next prime number to 11, 13. 70 plus 13, 83, choice to 43. Done? Now this is about paper number 91 or